In this video, let me show you how to use the Binance Launchpad new tokens. Now, in order to use new tokens or set up new tokens, you need to make sure that you hold BNB within your wallet. If you don't, make sure you first of all buy BNB into your wallet first of all. And once you do, you simply need to head over to your profile section, locate the launch pool option, which should be available within more services. Head over to the launch pool option. Now, in order to do this, as I said, you need to hold the BNB during the daily BNB calculation period, which is typically lasts around 3 to 7 days. To ensure that, you need to commit to your BNB. Once you're inside of this section, as you can see, different options are available within this section. You just need to check the launchpad once the subscription period opens for your BNB. So this opens usually for only a few hours a day. You simply need to tap on the commit option that you should be able to view within the BNB section. So that's pretty much all how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.